This is Sabiha, CEO and President of Dental Advisor. In dentistry, you have two ways to utilize bulk fill materials. One is to utilize a material that you can take all the way to the top, which requires no capping material. The other way is to utilize a bulk fill flowable first, and you can put that in the preparation and fill that up about 2/3 of the way, light cure it, and then place a more packable composite as a capping layer. Kerr has both options. Today I'll be demonstrating the utilization of Kerr's SimpliShade Bulk Fill Flowable with their SimpliShade Universal Composite as a capping layer. After prepping and placing the Class 2 matrix, I like to start with a selective etching technique. And in this case, I'm going to utilize Kerr's gel etchant, which I leave on for 15 seconds. Followed by rinsing it off for 15 seconds, and then air drying, making sure not to over-desiccate the tooth. Next, I'm applying the OptiBond Universal Adhesive to the enamel and dentin. It's one coat that you're going to scrub for 20 seconds. This adhesive can be used in all etching techniques, including total etching, self-etching, and selective etching. After application of the adhesive, you'll go ahead and do a gentle air stream to dry out and evaporate the solvent, and then light cure for 10 seconds. Next, I'll be placing the SimpliShade Bulk Fill Flowable, and you'll notice right off the bat the self-leveling properties it has. This layer can go up to 4 millimeters and gets light cured. I follow it up with the SimpliShade Universal Composite as a capping layer. This composite comes in 3 shades, light, medium, and dark. The material, you'll notice, also handles very well. It stays in place where you need it to go. It doesn't drag or stick to your instrument. Both composites feature ART, or Adaptive Response Technology, filler networks, which allows for excellent handling and optical characteristics. This ART technology is also found in Kerr's harmonized composite line. Both these products have been evaluated by Dental Advisor and were extremely well received by our clinical evaluators, receiving clinical ratings of 91% and 92% respectively. Additionally, both were 2024 Preferred Product Award winners for the Dental Advisor. Once set, the material is very easy to polish. You'll notice also how well the material blends with the adjacent tooth structure. After finishing and polishing, the final result is a beautiful, long-lasting restoration that you as the doctor will approve of and the patient will also enjoy because it blends in beautifully with the rest of their dentition. This is a great example of utilizing the SimpliShade Bulk Fill Flowable with the SimpliShade Universal Composite as a capping layer.